Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now in the last video you saw I stripped out another one of my hexes on my wheels, and it was the far right one over here. Completely got stripped out and I lost the wheel nut. So I decided to order some red wheel nuts from Arrma, because this is what it should have had to begin with. Because if I lose them, much more likely to see these than these stupid black ones. I mean, come on. I realize it's contrast, so it kind of looks cool, but come on. I'm going to put these on. I have another wheel to put on this one that has a good hex, at least for now. I think this is the last wheel I'm willing to sacrifice. Testing this out. So what's going to happen is, going to put these on. Going to put a dab of thread lock on them, even though they are like serrated, where they should just hold. If you once you tighten them down, they should hold up against the wheel, but clearly that has been a huge issue at coming undone. So I'm going to use some thread lock, get them pretty tight, and this is the last wheel I'm willing to sacrifice, because I only have 2 more wheels after this one. And I've already burnt up 2, my original one, and then one of my brand new ones, completely chewed up the wheel hex. So I'm sick and tired of doing that. It's just super annoying, and I wasn't even bashing it that hard, I felt like, when it happened. So that was just kind of a pain in the butt. So hopefully with a little bit of thread lock this will not come off, but I'm still worried with that locker that this is going to break that. So if I go through another hex, guys, I'll probably just put the Arrma Kraton EXB kind of on a hiatus until I get my limited slip from Arrma, which hopefully will be soon. But I've been told by one of my viewers that maybe October, late October. They originally told me August, so go figure. I'm going to get the one off that's mounted over here, and I'll show you what the wheel hex looks like, and then we're going to jump right into just mounting this up real quick. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have gone through 2 of these wheel hexes. That one last time got really chewed up. That one, no hope. That one actually got chewed up better than the first one. Like, when I mean better, I mean worse. So, completely chewed up in there. And then here's the original one that I stripped out. And that's still very stripped and not very usable. I could use these if I mount it up super tight. I did find out that it will hold, at least for a little while. But that's not really a long-term fix, because then the wheel nut's going to come off. And the biggest issue I'm having is once I strip out the wheel hex, I lose the wheel nut. That's why we're going with some red wheel nuts, which Arrma, it should have had these red wheel nuts on it to begin with. But then again, maybe they didn't figure that their wheel nuts were going to fall off. Well, they do. So, gotta get them on there and get this brand new one on. And I'll just do it for you guys right now. Gonna use the tiniest dab of blue medium thread lock. I think it looks better with the red wheel nut, personally. I mean, that just looks better. I'll get the other one switched over off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, I got them all changed over to the red wheel nuts now. Unless you have an eye for it, you're probably not going to notice just seeing this thing. Looks pretty similar. Let me push it back to see if we can get a little bit of a shot here. I like it. It looks good. It does look different. I mean, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like the red wheel nuts better or the black, or does it really even matter? I mean, it doesn't really matter from a looks perspective. I don't know. I think it looks just as good. I believe these red ones are off of probably Arrma Nero, because I used to have an Arrma Nero, and they were red anodized like that. Got them mounted on, put thread lock onto all of them, and here's the new wheel right here, as you can see. And you guys are going to want to stay tuned, because you're going to want to see if this thing's going to hold up the next time I take it out to bash. And at this point, I'm doubtful, but that's because I've already broken it multiple times. I'm kind of doubtful it's going to hold up, but you guys are going to want to stay tuned to see if it holds up in the next video while I'm still running this rear locker. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and if you want to see what happens next with this RC. All right, see you later, guys.